Welcome to PostGrid Combo. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable infinite loading on your PostGrid. If you have visited Pinterest or Instagram, you can see similar loading behavior. As you can see, the new posts are loading with my page scroll, and the website doesn't take a reload to load the posts. The whole process is working on the fly. To enable this exact functionality, all you have to do is enable this infinite load option. You can find this option under Pagination. Anyway, if you don't know how to create this grid layout with our PostGrid Combo plugin, then check out this video description. You will find some helpful tutorials there. Anyway, from the setting, you can customize the loading text or use an icon. And for the icon, you can use different library like Font Awesome or Icofont. Also, you can customize no post text. This will display when there are no more posts to load. Let's put an exclamation mark on the loading text and update the grid. And you can see it's working as expected.
That's all for this video. If you have any questions or need help, we suggest you create a support ticket. You can find the link under every blog, and if you are comfortable with our plugin, please rate us on WordPress. Your review is much more beneficial to us. Thank you so much for watching.